The focus workshop of the European Federation of Periodontology, organized together with the European Academy of Pediatric Dentistry, is dealing with the gingival and periodontal diseases and conditions in children and adolescents. And we need to understand how important this focus workshop is for the European Federation of Periodontology in terms of the topic, and also in terms of working together with the European Academy of Pediatric Dentistry. And I have here with me Monique Dancer, Treasurer of the European Federation of Periodontology. Can you explain how important this workshop is in terms of the topic and also in terms of the working together with the European Academy of Pediatric Dentistry?
Well, I think that working together with all different kind of associations and federations is very important to spread the knowledge, of course, about periodontology. And we have done a lot already, a lot of topics we have covered with all the workshops that we did, but none so far with the pediatric dentists. And I think particularly this subject is very important because there appear to be a lot of references and publications about the topic, but it's not so well known yet. And I think the different countries, there are different standards and ways to treat. And I think this is a very important workshop to learn more how we can treat and how we can better treat our patients, the little children, up until adolescents. And of course, having the sponsor, the industry here with us is also very important because we cannot do it by ourselves. It's always very costly, these, and we have a lot of people coming together. So I think it's very good that we have important that we have a sponsor with us.
This EFP workshop, the European Federation of Periodontology, working together with the European Academy of Pediatric Dentistry, it is possible because we have the support of Colgate, and that is a very important support. And they joined the project from the beginning, and we would like to understand why Colgate, Stephanie, wanted to support the project from the beginning. How important is for Colgate this particular topic?
Yes, so Colgate is always dedicated to advancing oral health, and we do it normally through science and evidence-based dentistry. And children and adolescents are a specific group that needs to be addressed specifically, so to make sure that they also have oral health when they are adults. So we think as a company that improving the knowledge of periodontal disease in this age group helps to provide targeted prevention and treatment strategies for oral health when they are grown up.
Yeah, I think one of the most important things of the focus workshop is trying to identify as soon as possible these conditions that the children may suffer, and as Monique was saying, they are very frequently overlooked. So working together, the European Federation of Periodontology, Colgate and the European Academy of Pediatric Dentistry, we have been able to prepare a consensus report that will help clinicians, will help patients, and will help families and careers to pay more attention to periodontal health and to take better care of our gums.